Hi guys. Okay, hey guys, Brandon here, and I want to show you like if you play StandOff on phone, this is probably the best glitch for you if you're running real low on money and you only get to have free crates here. So what you want to do? Go in StandOff. Hold on, my screen's dusty. Hold on. Okay. And then, hold on. Okay, great. So now what you want to do is you want to turn off your Wi-Fi. Right? Turn off your Wi-Fi. Now you're going to go to your inventory. As you can see, I already have all that. I have a bunch of that. Okay, so what you do, right? Your Wi-Fi is off. You want to go here. The video won't play, right? But the game counts it as it played anyway. Right? And then I bet you're wondering, but it's like the same thing except faster. But guess what? No. What happens is the game thinks you already watched it. So it gives you the crate, like the spin. But the little crate thing, that like you only get to have 5 chance, but now you can't lose any because that says you didn't watch it. So it's making another one. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed it.